what's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Watch, and the title of the video is entitled Shoplifter. Wait, hold on. How is it? How is it? How is a shoplifter entitled? Oh man, this is gonna be one of the ones. But anyway, the title of the video is entitled Shoplifter Flips Cuffs, Kicks Cop, Plays the Victim. Well, yeah, yeah, definitely probably gonna play victim. You know what I mean? Probably, let's go.
On May 19, 2023, officers were called to take custody of an unruly shoplifter in Walmart's loss prevention office.
Man, if you grab me that hard again,
I'm telling you, you will walk with me.
You will, I will.
You want to play this game? Let's go. I'll drag you out to the car if you want to play that way.
Are you?
Walk on your own 2 feet.
You're a joke of police officer.
This side.
You're gonna have a real lawsuit on your hands.
Perfect.
Let go of my arm before I seriously knee you in the balls.
You going to threaten me now?
No.
You want to catch another charge?
My arm.
You want to catch another charge?
Why don't you let go?
Get in the car.
Whoa!
Get in the car before I throw you in the car.
I really hope someone's recording this because you are.
It's all on recording. Get in the car. Get in the car.
You are such a piece of shit.
Get in the car.
Oh my god, you're a piece of shit.
He just stern, nothing wrong with that.
Hour 13, can you come back out here? She slipped her cuffs. What the heck are you doing?
I'm telling you.
What are you doing?
I will pay for everything I.
That's not how this works.
Kids. I have 2 kids.
You're going to jail.
Thousands of.
Going to jail.
I'm not going to jail, man.
Yes, you
I
are.
have enough against me.
I
will
care.
do anything.
You got both cups off.
Sometimes when they say, slip the cuffs or whatever, like I be thinking like, if they got you cuffed behind, then she, maneuvered her way to get up in the front. She slipped them all the way off. Like, yo, that is crazy. She could either be double jointed or he didn't put them on tight enough.
Ripped him right out, and she's trying to push the door open on me. So.
You guys want to run the email out there?
We should be good for now. Well, she pissed all over herself.
Yeah, thought about that for a second. I just haven't searched her because of the female thing, and so I just don't want to leave her too long.
She
without
peed
that.
herself? Aw.
I'll go on tighter.
Yeah.
Sir, have a lawsuit on your hands.
Get out here.
You're out of here. No, you're out of here. You just smashed my fingers. Get off of me. Get the off of me. You smashed my fingers in the door, and I will screw you so hard.
Stop. Are you gonna keep going?
Piece of shit.
She also tried to kick us in the balls earlier, so that was
No, I did not.
Yeah, she did.
Look at my fingers. You're being cute. I'm not joking.
What is so complicated about this?
Oh, you know what's so complicated about it? You smashed my fingers in the goddamn door. This is Walmart, you piece of shit.
Stop moving. You
Little
understand
pain
me?
compliance.
Oh my god.
Get you to act right.
He's just got me by the throat.
I don't have you by the throat.
That's your neck.
You had me. That's not by the throat, you mother.
Right, we're checking from heading out that way. What do you got?
Huh.
TTSO is 1054 and SSO is going to try to work on getting a female. She's on another call. They're going to try to get her cleared up.
Are gonna.
Stop.
You.
Get in the car.
Look at what you did in my fingers.
You were punching the dang door.
You.
Get in the car.
Get out of my way.
Really?
This
Get in the car now.
bullshit. Oh my god. You guys are so. I'm a white woman. Look at what the you're doing to
Good.
me.
Sit down.
Out of my face.
Sit down. Now.
Is she insinuating that she's supposed to get white privilege? I think that's what she's trying to insinuate here. But yeah, shit bags come in all colors.
How am I supposed to sit down if I can't?
You won't get in the
up?
car. I give you the opportunity. Look how you're acting.
Look at my kid, you dickhole.
Get in the car.
I'm here for my kid.
Get up on the seat. You're doing great.
I'm doing great.
Yep. Come on. Get your feet in the car now.
No.
All right. All right, there's a battery charge. Kick me. There's a battery charge.
Northport SB10.
We're going to get all the charges today.
Go for it, Jen. Go ahead.
You better let me out.
No, you're going to jail.
What?
You're going to jail.
Going to jail for what?
Battery on me now. Stealing from Walmart. Do I got to keep going?
What?
I'm going to keep going if you keep acting like this. It's absolutely ridiculous.
Two mother kids, people they can't even provide for. You must be so proud that my kid won't have milk or shit. You're a piece of goddamn. I swear to God, cops are like the dumb of the universe. You all think you have all the power, don't you?
Let me glove up. We'll probably need all of this. She on that side of it. Cool. Yeah, super duper feisty.
Hey, come on out. Take a step out. I'm not sticking again. Take a breathe then. Okay.
Here come the waterworks. It's always the women crying, man. Come on, man.
Take this foot, spread it out a bit. A little bit more.
Send a call to your cat.
There you go. Do you have anything that's not full?
Roger.
Alright.
Intel 11, 1 over 10.
Go ahead for 1 over 10.
Are you still trying to get a hold of a guardian for a child?
That is correct.
Alright, therefore, we've got a couple extra numbers. I'll try up here in the Arctic and all of us. I tried the two that the nurses just sent me for the mother. One went to voice message, one's out of service, and there's no answer at the residency. Dad drives a silver Jeep with black wheels. We found some other family members nearby. We're trying to. Send me what you have, and I can swing by the address and get there.
Before you put it back in, I want to adjust the cuffs a little bit too.
Yeah.
You guys, you already got your hands into it. You want to just fix this for me?
Yes, I want.
No, you made a bad decision. And then,
If you want, you can move them
you made another bad decision
and
by
pray.
fighting.
Nothing.
Be a little more comfortable for her. She just was fighting pretty bad, so
You picked
she's
up.
calmed down a little bit.
Right.
10-4.
Resisting. You got enough of resisting?
I still need you mean the resisting merchant, or are you talking about resisting with violence?
The resisting arrest.
Yeah, I do the resisting.
Because you could just, it's
And
on
with-
top
when I
of
have
the battery.
the battery, I'll do the resisting, and I got to see if she resisted the merchant as well. I might tack that one on there. They got her in there, so I think she was just mouthing off, but she did go in, so I don't think I'm gonna do that one.
Back in.
Cuff's good now?
Yeah.
Perfect, thank you. All right, we're gonna get going up to the jail.
1 over 13, 1 over 11.
Good.
Eagle 14, we just found a lot more merchandise stuffed into the car seat, so your price is going to go up. Stand by.
Hold on. Taffel. Is there a reason why you slipped out of your handcuffs? Is there a reason why you took the cuffs off again? Okay, well, we'll be. We'll be stopping and putting them back on. When you calm down, the female officer was trying to be nice and give you the cuffs on so they weren't squeezing down on your wrists. But
School 166 traffic.
I'm going to need some assistance to put these handcuffs back on. She's slipped them again. 1 Edward 11 Edward Court. I'm 97 in the rear lot. You may want to put other gloves on. She's already peed herself once. She's threatening. Come on, sir. She's threatening all sorts of things. So,
You got another pair.
yeah. So, and she's slipped her cuffs now twice, and 2 different people have set them, so they're gonna have to be set a little bit tighter. She's got. We're almost at felony shoplifting and bat Leo. So.
Oh, no. On who?
Me. Yeah, she kicked me in the wrist. We were trying to get her back in the car. So.
Yeah, but you should have never loosened them.
Yeah?
Step out.
Great, thanks.
Come on, turn around.
Don't touch me like that. That's a little too aggressive, sir.
Okay, just turn. Stop.
No, he is being aggressive.
I get it. Put your hands together like you're praying. Still double one. Just hold her like that.
Are you okay? Do you have like superhuman strength, or what the is wrong with your arm there? Yeah, no, that's not gonna work.
Well, you keep slipping them.
I don't give a shit.
I do.
That up. Loosen them both up. That's absolutely.
Oh, you don't like it because you can't go in?
Here, that's too hard.
Yeah, maybe you'll sit appropriately.
The white one I know who before.
There's one. Strip this one out.
You need to stop seriously grabbing me like that. Sir.
Stop.
No.
You want to get like again? Stop. Come on.
It's way too hard.
All right, well, stop moving.
Have a seat. Have a seat. Come on. All the way
All
in.
the way in the car?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
All the
wonderful.
way in the car. Thank you. She's a nice